Selling your home can feel like a big project, but with the right preparation, you can make it stand out and attract the perfect buyer. Hi, this is Christian Rano with Keller Williams Realty, the market team. And in today's video, I'm sharing 3 essential tips to help you prepare your home for a successful sale. Let's dive in. So key point number 1, upgrade your curb appeal. When someone drives up to your house, the first thing they're going to notice is how it looks from the outside. Is the lawn neat? Are there pops of color in the garden? Does the front door say welcome home? All of these are little details that come together and create that crucial first impression. You don't have to go overboard. Even something small like a new welcome mat or updated house numbers can make a huge difference. Think about it. If the outside looks inviting, buyers will be excited to see what's on the inside. Also, consider the time of year. If it's winter, keep walkways clear and add some cozy seasonal touches like a winter wreath or some tasteful lighting. It's all about showing the showers what the home is loved and cared for. Key point number 2, declutter and depersonalize. Now, when they step inside, buyers need to be able to picture themselves living in your space. And let's be honest, it's hard to do if the rooms feel crowded or overly personal. Start by decluttering. That might mean putting away extra furniture or boxing up things you don't use often. Less is more here, and you want your home to feel open and spacious, not cramped or cluttered. And think about removing personal touches like family photos, unique collections, or bold artwork. It's not about erasing your personality, it's about creating a blank canvas where buyers can imagine their own lives. One more thing, clean, clean, clean. I'm talking about spotless windows, shiny floors, and fresh smelling rooms. Pay extra attention to high traffic areas like kitchen and bathrooms. A clean home tells buyers that this is a place that's been well loved and cared for, which is exactly what they want to see. Key point number 3, highlight your home's key features. Finally, let's make sure these parts of your home really stand out. Think about what makes your home special. Is it the spacious kitchen, the cozy living room, the natural light streaming through the big windows? Whatever it is, let's highlight it. So selling your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these 3 steps, you can create a space that buyers will fall in love with from the moment they arrive. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more home selling advice. Best of luck with your sale. Again, this is Christian Rano with Keller Williams Realty, the market team, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.